Okay, so I've just finished building this set 60346, and the name is Barn and Farm Animals. And there's a lot of things in this set. There's a barn, there are a lot of minifigures and animal minifigures as well, such as the little lamb over here, and then we have the cow, and then we have the cow over here. And the cow is being brushed and being cleaned and washed. Well, the cow is taking a shower, and here we have the greenhouse, a small greenhouse, and then we have a tractor with a lady inside. Very nice. And then we have pigs and piglets too. And then we have a basket for presumably water, and then we have a basket for storing the plants, the roots, the little pumpkin. And I think that's about it. Inside the barn, we actually have another minifigure, a bed, that seems to be a bed, and a squirrel. There's a squirrel. A squirrel too. I think that's about it, so thank you. We are also going to move this Lego set to our Lego City Diorama, so let's go.
Hello everyone, we are now at our Lego City Diorama. It is actually called Indobrickville. And what do you think of this partly shown Lego Diorama, Kenji?
It's very big, definitely, and I can see that a lot of work and effort has been put into this building, this part of the city.
Well, thank you.
Yes, of course.
I'm really proud of it.
You're welcome. And from what I can see, that the buildings are massive. They're pretty huge. There's also a train here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But everything is so detailed. There's like pedestrians walking around, so many cars walking around. It's basically a real city here.
And basically it is still under construction. As you can see, there's some messy building around here with cranes and trees still dismantled. But anyway, today we are going to discuss more in detail about upgrading the farm. Like, we finally have a new farm set from the Lego after waiting for quite a long of time. So yeah, we are going to upgrade the farm. And would you be the one that upgrading the farm?
Sure.
Okay, let's go take a closer look. Alright.
Okay, here, this is the farm area, and it's very tight and cramped actually. So we're gonna move these two tractors first, and then we're gonna move the barn and farm animals.
Okay, Kenji, let me see your creativity. Okay. I'm passing you the set. Okay, find the perfect place for the barn. Okay. Watch out, there's the sheep and the lamb. Try to find a walk around the washing station for the fawn. Okay, let me try to assist you. Okay, oops. Here. I think we need to move this tractor somewhere else. Oops. Hold on. Here. No, you have to. And what is Mr. Freeze doing in here? Okay, yeah, put it perpendicular. Okay, now. Maybe we can push the washing station here. Or maybe put it here facing this way. Okay, this is the... This crate here match with the rest.
Oh yes.
Yeah, okay. Maybe you can put it in here. Okay, this is the piglet, the cow. let's see how you place it there, and let me see whether. Oops. Okay, I hit the camera. Let me see.
Greenhouse.
Oh, the greenhouse. Okay, forgot to pass it. The greenhouse. Here you go. Let me bring the camera closer. Okay. Oh heck, I'll just take this. Okay. Let me bring it over there. Could you point it out so the viewer can identify which is which?
This one is the one we just added, upgraded, the barn and farm animals set, and this one is the greenhouse, the pigs and piglets, and this is the cow, and then this is the washing station where the lady's washing the cow, and then here's the barn of course, and then here's the newly added storage for the plants, the fruits and carrots.
Okay, so this is the upgraded farm. And
Very
yeah, could you turn on the wind turbine?
There's actually wind turbine here, so very nice, and ours on the lights.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Just keep it up. Oops, it's hitting. Okay, everyone, this is the upgraded farm on Indobrickville. I hope you enjoy for our city upgrade, and we'll see you again for another chance in upgrading and seeing the Indobrickville. Okay, see you again. Bye bye. Alright everyone, we are nearing the end of our Lego City
Thank you
upgrade.
very much. Yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and we hope that you enjoyed this video.
If you have any comments or input, please leave it on the
Comments below, comment section below.
yes, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also don't forget to like this video as well. And Kenji, before we end this video, what do you think of upgrading this farm?
I think it's a very nice little upgrade to the ever-growing city, this mega city you can say, and I think that's nice. Every upgrade starts from a small upgrade.
Okay, yeah, and finally, after I haven't touched this city for maybe more than half a year, yeah, it's quite refreshing to finally work on the city again. Yeah, hopefully we can have more times in upgrading the city later on. And alright then, this will be the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye.